So this last weekend, I had the honor and privilege to fly to Laguna Beach, California for our Leadership Council 2018-2019 for 31. So I earned a spot on that council and I was able to fly out there for a little kind of like mini conference. So they shared with us the vision of the company for the next 6 months and showed us the brand new catalog and also the brand new summer catalog. So I got to see so many things and learn so much about 31, and it was such a privilege to be there. I was truly humbled to be in a place with so many brilliant women. It was amazing. So, but it was just a like 3-day trip basically. So I was there for 2 nights. So I was flying Delta, so I knew that I wanted to just do a carry-on on the airplane. I didn't want to check a bag because with Delta it costs $25 to check a bag. So I was trying to save myself some money and to do everything in carry-on. So for me that's very hard because I like to pack so many things. So I had to plan out my outfits each day. I didn't take more than what I was going to wear, which is so hard for me because I dress by what mood I'm in. So anyways, but I wanted to share with you how I was able to do that with just 2 bags. So I had a roller bag, which was a Hostess exclusive a couple of seasons ago, and it was amazing. It was away we go roller. So I had all of my shoes and my clothes and things packed in there. So it basically filled up the whole roller bag. And the front had a zipper pocket, and I had my swimsuit and things in there. But I carry so many toiletries and things with me. So I called the hotel to see if they had a hairdryer. So they did. So I was so glad about that. All right. But I decided to carry my City Park bag. This is my City Park bag. I use this as my carry-on. So I had my purse inside of here, so I wasn't carrying like an extra purse and they'd be like, hey, you got 3 bags. So I had my purse inside of here too. So this is how I organized my bag to go flying across country. All right. So you have so many pockets on the outside of this. You've got one right here. You have one in the front. I had my All About the Benjamins wallet right there, ready to access, which had my boarding pass in there and my ID. So it was at my fingertips at all times. And I know it's backwards, but my City Park says wife, boss, mom, which I love that saying. Because I am. I'm a wife, I'm a boss, and I'm a mom. So it has these little handles, these reinforced handles here that go perfectly on your shoulder. You have a place right here is where I kept my water, and just a little TSA tip for you. You can carry ice in your drink. You can't carry water through security, but you can carry ice. So I had my cup on this side. On the back, you have a place for your cell phone. Our signature cell phone pocket was right here, so I had my cell phone right there. It was perfect. Then I had an extra storage space back here in this pocket, and it also has a big shoulder strap where you can actually wear this crossbody. So this was perfect for that. Even if you don't have the old 31 roller bag, this would fit on top of any roller bag. So you see people who have one bag they're rolling and then one bag that sits on top. This is the one I had sitting on top of my roller bag. It was perfect. The bottom is flat, so it sits perfectly on something. All right, and then this side I actually had my sunglasses. So you can't go to California without sunglasses, right? All right, so on the inside, there are so many compartments, and I'm going to show those to you right now. It might be kind of hard to see with all of the things in there, but look at all of those compartments. Okay, so here is how I did it. All right, in one of these compartments, I had all of my little toiletries. So I had my deodorant, my shampoo, my eye makeup remover, my lotion, all of those things that you need in the shower, and I had my razor on top. So this is the rectangle pouch. This has a zipper on top. This is the rectangle pouch. So I had that in there. Then the next thing I used in one of the slots is the Glamour Case. So you open this Glamour Case up. It's great for just sitting on your countertop in your bathroom, but it's also great when you travel. All right, so you open it up, and whoops, one of my brushes are falling out. You have a place for your brushes on top with a little elastic band right here and to keep it covered. You also have a little zipper pouch right here, which I had like my bobby pins and my tweezers in there. And then in here I just had all of my little bottles. So you have to have at least, I think, 3 or 4 ounces or less. So you can't take full size shampoo bottles and things like that on the airplane. So I'll just show you a few of my favorite things in here. How's that sound? So I have my Mary Kay eye makeup remover. Love that stuff. I always take my Downy release with me because sometimes like I couldn't carry my little mini travel steamer with me. So this Downy wrinkle release, this stuff is amazing. Spray it on your clothes overnight and let them hang. The wrinkles will all be gone in the morning. Or if you need to use it right then, just spray and kind of pull and tug on the shirt a little bit. And then the next thing, that's one of my favorites, is it's called It's a 10. It's a miracle leave-in product. So it's good for damaged hair, it's good for tangles, control frizz. Let's see, it seals and protects hair color. This stuff is amazing. So that's just a few of my little favorite things in there. All right, then I had the Rubie Mini. I love me a Rubie Mini. These are so fantastic just to slide down in your purse. You can actually tack on a wristlet strap and carry it with you to go. These are so cute. They come in so many colors. These are great for teenagers. It has a zipper on top, and then this is where I kept all of my makeup. So I had my Mary Kay eyeshadow, my Avon foundation, all of those little things. My mascara and my eyeliner are in here. So that was perfect for that. I would normally take the hanging traveler's case and all of these three things right here. Everything that I have in these three things would have fit in there, but it's big and it takes up so much room, so it would have taken up the entire inside of the bag. So with these three things separated, I was able to keep room in the middle of this bag. So that's why I chose those three items. All right, the next thing I had in one of the side pockets is the Baubles and Bracelets case. This is also in camo, so this is great for your jewelry. So you can tack your earrings through here. You can also unbuckle this if you want to slide your ring through here, or if you want to slide your watch or any bracelets in there. Obviously, I was looking for this necklace a minute ago and I realized it was in here. The necklace that I always wear in my videos, the Dreamcatcher necklace. And then I have bracelets in here, my 31 bracelets, but this also comes with 3 little bags like these so you can separate your jewelry. So this was a perfect little thing. It just zips up and slides right in there. Then I had one section just for my hair brushes. I had 3 separate hair brushes, one for tangles, one for the curling, the round brush, and then one just for regular brush. So I had a section for brushes. Then in the middle, I had my Studio 31 purse, okay? So I had the purse with my flaps not on there. So I was able to have this in the middle, right in the middle of the bag, and I'm able to actually store extra things in here as well. So I had my notebook in here. I had the strap to my purse that hooks onto the purse right there. I had my Advil. I had a slim pouch, one of the clear slim pouches, just for pens, for Sharpies, for highlighters. I liked having these at my fingertips. So that's another one of our creative lines. Then I had my lip gloss back there. And then if you know anything about our Studio 31 purses, you know that all you have to do is zip on a flap. Put a flap on here, turn it around. See this little zipper? It just zips on back here, just like that. It zips on. And then you can change the look of your purse every day. So instead of taking 3 different purses, I took one purse with 3 different flaps. How cool is that? So I had 3 different looks every day that I was there, but I only had to take one purse. I love the Studio 31 purses. All right, and then, so this is the inside of the bag. Oop, there's tissue paper in there. So the inside of the bag, you see the compartments all the way around here. And then this back section right back here is actually a thermal pouch. This is actually where I kept my unmentionables, my underwear and my bra and things like that. So I kept that back there and zipped up. So this thing was truly amazing. This is the City Park bag, and that is how I traveled across country for 3 days, all with just a carry-on with my 31 products. So if you have any questions or you'd like to see any of these closer up, I would love to show those to you and give you any more ideas for our products and traveling. I hope that you will consider joining my customer group on Facebook. It's called Andrea Carver's 31 Gifts. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.